There are countless groups in our city working right now to reduce violence.
And that includes the Office of Public Health and Safety. And tonight, our Karen Campbell joins us in studio to share how city leaders are pushing forward to tackle this important issue. Karen?
Yeah, well, this is a position that OPHS has been trying to fill since January, and they finally did. So we know that there is a new chief, but when I asked the chief about his priorities, there was not a clear answer.
And they are a direct answer to what the community told us that they needed.
Director of the Office of Public Health and Safety, Martine Romy Bernard Tucker, announcing 2 new hires to help curb violence in Indianapolis. The announcement shared Wednesday afternoon. Ralph Durrett Jr. is the new Chief Violence Prevention Officer leading OPHS.
I've been putting in work for a long time in order to get to this point.
He says his focus is to meet youth where they are.
I don't necessarily have any first priorities. My priority is engaging the youth as much as I possibly can. Not just engaging the youth, but also engaging anyone that they're in contact with as much as I can. So I want to be a gap filler. So wherever the gaps are, I want to fill those gaps.
OPHS announced the need for the position in January.
With the Chief Violence Prevention Officer, this is specifically for violence reduction, but mainly for prevention. And youth, of course, is the biggest part of it.
Part of Durrett's role will be to integrate preventative measures into current and future programming and to address the root causes of crime.
There's so many people doing great work right now, and I just want to engage them as much as I possibly can and help them out. But the kids need representation. They want to see somebody that look like them in these positions.
And there was a second position within OPHS that was also filled. It's the Assistant Director of Social Determinants of Health. So what does that mean? The person in that position has to ensure that all 5 divisions at OPHS have a prevention component. So, for example, looking at a division to see if they're missing something like financial literacy in their program that can be integrated.
All right, Karen, thanks so much. Lots of work still needs to be done.